Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to request for a quick insurance verification for your patients. First, you need to left-click on the patient you need quick insurance verification. Now click on Pat Info button. You will now have this pop up on your screen. You will notice the insurance part to be loading as it tries to quickly verify the insurance eligibility of the patient. You can also view the PDF view of the brief insurance information for the patient. You just need to click on the imaging module on the left-hand side of your Open Dental, Practice Web, or Easy 2000. After clicking on the imaging module, you can now see the insurance folder and the recently dated PX insurance benefit PDF, just like what is shown on screen. Also, once the quick insurance verification is done, there will be a flag on the appointment tile saying V1, which represents verified primary insurance. Displayed on the screen are the corresponding codes and what they represent. Also, you can see the troubleshooting steps you can perform if some of your patients being marked as NV1 or NV2. Details of the quick insurance verification will also show here on the Appointment tab inside the PX button. You just need to scroll to the end to see the insurance details. Once you scroll to the end, you will see the last column that will display the insurance status and the max remaining. And that is it. That is how you can do quick insurance verification. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.